Di kulay sibon ipi baro ki parlok ki parjo tanat baju sunap kini gi kubor lakam hakni kapor di kastit Cancer Society of Meghalaya kabar pelaj haka artarik banai mi ajarsan the State Cancer Society of Meghalaya RN by application for the post of the clinical research associate and nangka social worker and the body massage therapist kalastit namentapan sumit ya ka application kene artarik mi ajarsan teki post kinang kumni kapos ko nang kang ada ka clinical research associate ka number post kale tang kawai nang taka age limit kande arsan ado lapsan stem nang taka relaxation for this serving candidate nang taka salary kalong sopojar sibenai nang taka essential qualification kedeban kundep ka master degree in life science, public health and related the field nagtaka post kadang social worker kanamar post kadang South Delhi namataki sentang Delhi namataki kente Delhi DKH limit kente arsan adulaisan mat kumjuru ka relaxation kade for deserve and candidate nagtaka salary kente arsan charge benai nagtaka qualification kede kende ka bachelor lani ka master degree ka social work lani ki seminar field nagtaka post kabalai kade ka body massage therapist ka namar post kade tang kawai ka age limit kade arsan ado lifestyle stem ka relaxation for the serving candidate nagtaka salary kade ka sana charge benai ka essential qualification kade class 10 pass de kumno ban apply kade ka State Cancer Society of Meghalaya Meghalaya de kilo candidate kiba kailangan submit ng ka standard form with the represent passport size photo and is kailangan self attested ya ki dokumen ka jongpi but fill ya ka application team with update ya ka lani haka CV education qualification experience certificate and additional or technical qualification certificate or any ID proof ane ki ilapan langkum ka voter ID, Aadhaar card and copy with the previous work participate. The application can be submitted to the office of the State Cancer Society of Meghalaya. Jongka DE Civil Hospital Cancer Wings Building Civil Shillong lani nama subhani Jimil lumba ka PDF from Monday to Friday timing along Chipobachi to Sanmachi di kelas state kan dewan submit application kan ka tarik tenang ki candidate kiba you can advise la karpat wakin puli bahaya ka eligible kriteria swabar pin apply ya kan ka post at kunjuri kontak kulay sibon di pibaro